Hello, I'm Dr. Jessie Talley, and I'm here to bring you episode 2 of the Faculty Meetings One on One series. So, today, this episode is focused on how to avoid burnout in faculty meetings. So, more than likely, you have already completed meeting number 1. So, you're feeling like the rest of us, which is you're feeling drained just thinking about your next faculty meeting. So faculty meetings can be mentally exhausting, especially if you're juggling a full teaching load, research, and your service duties. So today we're going to be talking about how to avoid that burnout and stay energized through those long meetings. The three areas we're going to focus on today are setting clear boundaries, taking breaks, and knowing when to say no. So let's start off with number 1, which is setting clear boundaries. That's right, set clear boundaries. One of the easiest ways to avoid burnout is to set the expectations for when you'll be available for meetings. Now, most faculty and school-wide meetings are preset, so those are mandatory to attend. But if you have a one-on-one meeting with one of your colleagues, you need to be sure to let them know when you're free to talk and when you need downtime. And if you have a packed agenda, it's okay to skip certain meetings or leave early if you have already contributed. So the next thing you need to do, take breaks. If you set up all your meetings and they tend to drag on and take up your mental space or they're back to back, you need to set up a few minutes in between to be able to stretch, grab water, or do whatever you need to do to reset your mind. If not, your energy is going to drop and you're not going to be engaged because you didn't recharge during that time. And then 3, know when to say no. It's tempting to take on all of those different committee roles that come your way, but overcommitting is going to lead to burnout. So you want to do some under committee. Don't be afraid to turn down those meetings and don't serve your goals or don't align with your strengths. So the next time you're heading into a meeting, remind yourself that your energy is valuable. Set those boundaries. Take breaks and don't feel guilty for prioritizing your well being. And remember, saying no is a complete sentence. So until next time for episode 3, put your comments below about questions you might have. And I hope that you continue to, again, do your work that you were called to do. Looking forward to commenting back to you and seeing you in the next episode.